Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how and why I use two Erin Condren life planners. I'm not sure if I kind of discussed this in a prior video because I know I did one a while ago talking about both of these planners, but I don't know if I really went into detail as far as how and why I'm using two separate ones. Now, for those of you who have been with me for a while, you know that I've kind of gone through an evolution of different planners, different styles of planning. And right now, I'm feeling like this is working, but at the same time, I'm ready for a change. But I thought I would commit to it for at least another month, just to make sure that it is working for me. Because I am starting to simplify everything in my life right now, including my planning. And so I'm not too sure if I even need two planners, but it is working. However, I'm thinking that I could kind of streamline it just a little bit. So let me go ahead and show you what I've got going on. I have this planner here. This is I think this was oh no, it wasn't. I'm thinking that it was a 16-month, wait, is it 16-month or 18-month planner? I ordered this sometime in 2019, and I did get the remaining months of the year in this planner. So I have October, November, December of 2019, and then we move into January 2020. And I will go, like I said, into more details with this. But this is my main home life planner. Now this one I bought in mid-2019, and this one is my work planner, meaning everything related to my work at home work is in this planner. Now I originally decided to do separate planners because I just didn't want, like when I'm in work mode, I don't want to look at my planner and see, oh, I have to grocery shop, I need to do laundry, Kaden has a doctor's appointment. I didn't want to be distracted by that stuff when I'm focusing on work to-dos, work projects, and so forth. So anything related to me, my son, and our home goes in this planner, and anything and everything related to work goes in this planner. Now the nice thing about this is that the Erin Condren planner is pretty flexible. You know, it's not a complicated setup. It doesn't have a whole lot of things you have to figure out. The only thing you have to figure out is how you're going to use it. So, as you can see, I do a lot of decorating and use a lot of stickers in here because this is also a creative outlet for me. But at the same time, I do like it to be functional. So, you know, I write down everything that pertains to that week or that day, and it's been working out great. However, the end of December, I got really sick. As a matter of fact, I got sick on Christmas Day. And so for a good month, I did not use my planner. Even though I had it decorated, I had my stickers in here, there were several weeks where nothing happened. And then I finally got out of the hospital on this day, but because I hadn't used my planner in so long, I kind of fell off track and I kind of fell off the wagon, so to speak. And so I kind of struggled getting back into it. And I'm still struggling a little bit. You know, I feel like now that I've kind of, you know, gone without using this for a while, I'm wondering, do I really need it? You know, do I need something this laid out and this specific? Or can I simplify things? So that's the status as far as my main home planner. Now let's take a look at the work planner. So the work planner is basically the same exact thing. This one though, I have starting with January 2020. I removed the months from 2019 because I felt like I just didn't need it, and it really bulked up the planner quite a bit. So I took those months out and then I coiled them separately. But you can see it's pretty much the same thing. And again, because this started in January 2020 and because I was in the hospital, this planner just did not get used for pretty much the whole month of January. Now, a lot of people will say, well, you did all that decoration and you have all these stickers and da-da-da-da. Well, to me, that's the fun part of it. Even if I don't actually, write anything down on these pages, for me, the joy is in creating a beautiful spread, using some fun stickers and making it pretty. So I don't feel like it was a waste at all. So this is January. February. And you can see I have not used, this. Oh, I did a little bit this week. And a little bit this week. And then here we are. This is the current week, and you can see I have not used it. So because of my lack of really using this planner, I'm trying to think, can I focus and can I simplify this and can I streamline it? Now the flip side of the thing is, I have not been focusing on my work. I have not been focusing on my side, kind of my little home business. And when I do get really focused, I am going to need a place to put all of that information and keep me on track and keep me organized. So I don't want to cut this planner out completely, but I do need to find a new groove and a new rhythm as far as using it. And I think I just have to kind of discipline myself to plan in this every week and to stick to it. Because like I said, going a whole month, being unable to use a planner, it's kind of made me re-examine exactly what I need and how I can do things. And I don't want this to go to waste. I do think it's functional and useful. So I'm going to give it a go for the remainder of March. And I'm going to see how I can make this work and how disciplined I can be with using it. Now, I don't feel bad if I don't use it. I don't feel like it was a waste. I don't feel like I wasted my money because I have gotten a lot of joy out of this planner, especially with the decorating, and using my stickers and stuff like that. So anyways, that is my current situation. And I think I may have, oh no, it might have been in the other planner because I did use the notes section in this planner. And I think I already shared that in a prior video. So that is what's going on with me right now and using 2 Erin Condren Life Planners. If you're using more than one planner for work and for your main thing, let me know how it's working for you. And if you have maybe just some tips or some input on how I can really get back on track with this. It's not that I don't want to use it. It's just that I'm feeling a little, I don't know, maybe just a little distracted or maybe a little less enthusiastic about using, several planners as much as I enjoy them. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And that's going to be it for this video. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos coming. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.